Hello friends, today I am going to explain one of the most important topic, probability. And this topic asked in every examinations like NET, GET and all national level examinations. Okay, the first topic of the probability is the mean of the distributions. Mean of the distribution, it is clear by its name. The average value or expectation value of the random variables. Here the word came random variables. It is defined as a real number that outcomes connected with outcomes of the experiment. Let us understand by taking examples. In quantum mechanics, let us suppose an arbitrary wave function 1 by 2 psi 1 minus 1 by 2 psi 2 plus. This is an arbitrary wave functions. In this wave function, what is random experiment and random variables? Random variables. Random experiment. Random experiment. What is random experiment in this arbitrary wave functions? Measurement of energy. Measurement of energy is a random experiment of these arbitrary wave functions, and random variables. Random variables energy of the particle. Okay. Then random experiment E1, E2, E3 and corresponding probability 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. E1 is the energy of the particle in psi1 state. E2 is the energy of the particle in psi2 state. And E3 is also energy of the particle in psi3 state. And corresponding probability. Actually, this wave function is in a normalized state. Normalized state means the sum of the probabilities of this arbitrary wave functions is unity. Okay. So this is actually you can say this is known as a discrete probability distributions. Discrete probability distribution. Okay, it's clear. Random variables and random experiment. Then by the formulations of this mean of the distributions, x mean of the distribution is also denoted by mu is equals to summation I xi pi summations pi. Okay, here pi is the function of xi, xi, what is xi? Xi is a random variables. Random variables, and pxi is corresponding probability. Corresponding probabilities. Okay. This is the formula for mean distributions, mean value or expectation value of any random variables of any random experiment. Okay. Let us take an example. This is the question. By solving this, we can clarify the mean of the distributions. An unbiased coin tossed 3 times and x represents the number of head of 10. Okay. Write down the probability distributions corresponding to x and calculate the mean of the distributions. Okay. Actually, unbiased coin tossed 3 times, so, then 3 times head, head, head. It may come 3 heads, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. Okay. This is the possible outcome when 3 coin toss. Okay. The discrete random variables represented by x is obtain number of heads corresponds to x. X represents the number of heads. So heads can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. But actually only we are taking only heads. Head 3, 2, okay, 3 heads, 2 heads, and 2 heads, 1 heads, and 0. Okay, this is the random variables and corresponding probability. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total outcome 8. Okay. 1 by 8. 3 times heads. 1 by 8. Okay. 2 times heads. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. This means 2 by 8. Okay. 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8. 0 correspond to no head. Okay. This is the solutions of part 1. And solution of part 2. Mean of the distributions. Mean of the distributions. And mean of the distributions responds to summation xi pi. Okay. Xi is the random variables and corresponding probabilities. Then put here 3 into pi 1 by 8 plus summations correspond to plus sign 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 by 8 plus 0 into 1 by 8. Solve this, and solving this by getting the mean of the distributions. Okay. Now take another example of the mean distribution function, mean distribution of the probability. A child make a random variable on a square lattice constant A, taking a steps in a north, east, south or west directions with corresponding probabilities 0.255 and all respectively. After a number of steps n, for n steps, the expected position of the child with respect to the starting point means a child can go in any directions with the lattice constant or step size is A, is already given in these questions. This is north, south, east, west. A child can make a step in any of the direction, north, east, west and south. AI, A minus I, AJ, A minus J. Okay, and we have to find the expected position of the child with respect to the starting point. Suppose child is starting from origin. Okay, here what is the random variable of this questions is a random variable. Okay, random variables is the position of the child. Position of the child. Position of the child is a random variable. Okay. Here, position AI, A minus I, AJ, A minus J. Okay. And corresponding probability 0.255, 0.255, 0.245, 0.245. Okay, and we have to find the expected position of the child with respect to the starting point of the child. Actually, child can move any one of the directions, east, west, south and north. Okay, we know the formula for the expectation value or average value of the probability is summation over xi pi xi. Okay, I is equals to 1 to 4. Here random variables is 4. Okay, put all the things here. AI into 0.255 plus A minus I 0.255 plus AJ 0.245 plus A minus J 0.245. Okay, after solving this we get 0.01 A I plus J. Okay, this is the expected position of the child with respect to the starting point. Here A is the step size or lattice constant. Okay. But in these questions we have to find for the large number of the steps, for n steps. For n steps, okay, (0.01 a n a I plus j. Okay. Actually, I plus j. I plus j means this is the positive I and positive j. The positive I and positive j. The direction of the child is northeast. Northeast. Position of the child with respect to starting point is northeast, because here positive I and positive j means first quadrant of the x and y, xy plane, in xy plane, positive xy plane. Okay. In magnitude, (0.01 a n into √2). Is that answer? Child not 45 and position of the child.